Hello everyone, so lots of you requested me to make a tutorial how to make handmade earrings with resin. So here I am. Not only you can make your own customized earrings but also establish your own small business home. We need very few things like dried flowers, UV resin. It can create crystal base for my earrings, some mold and UV lamp. I'm taking this kind of plastic mold. Make sure you put it in a flat surface. I'm creating this earring in a two-layer base. First, taking a small amount of UV resin, make sure the resin covers the whole mold surface fully. Then putting a dried flowers. I'm going to make another video to how to create dried flowers in home in the next YouTube video. Okay, then put this mold into the UV lamp. I used UV nail lamp for this video. Put this mold under the lamp for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes later, I'm gonna put the second layer of UV resin and put it into the under the lamp for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure while you are working with the resin, you must wear a mask. Then after 2 to 3 minutes later, resin-based crystal clear earrings is almost ready. Last but not the least, we need some jump rings, studs for this final look. We can make as many as designs we want from this technique. So for now, this is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like my channel.